Different days, different stretches. Let's continue to lengthen the spinal muscles to create more space between the bones in the spine. If you like, tap your fingertips on your legs. The suggestion is to practice seated cat-cow 2 times. As you breathe in, chin lifts, shoulders back, rock forward. As you breathe out, chin tucks, shoulders forward, rock back a comfortable distance. Always move and breathe in a comfortable way. On your next breath in, chin lifts, shoulders back, rock forward. As you breathe out, chin tucks, shoulders forward, rock back a comfortable distance. When you are ready, come back to sitting tall. If you like, let's practice 2 more breaths. As you breathe in, press down on all your fingers and all your toes. As you breathe out, release. As you breathe in, press down on all your fingers and toes. As you breathe out, release. Moving slowly as you find a new stretch allows you to practice finding a better way to move. Gentle stretches can help reduce both physical and emotional pain. Give yourself a few moments to create some simple stretches as you stand, sit, or lie down. You can move with me or find your own ways to stretch. Perhaps move your arms in a new way, one arm and then the other. Notice if you stretch your fingers wide. Then move both arms in a new way. If you like, step your feet apart and move from side to side. Perhaps moving your hips in a circle is a new way to stretch today. Take your time as you move in a comfortable new way. Now, the suggestion is to take up space on the last stretch. If you like, put more effort into your breath in as you stretch your fingers and toes and arms. Take up space as you breathe and stretch in a comfortable way. When you are ready, come back to sitting or to standing tall. You can do the anytime, anywhere breath, even when you are talking with someone. When you are ready, gently press one shoulder back, then press the other shoulder back. If you like, place one hand on your leg in a way that is comfortable. Today, you may want to practice long breaths out. Long breaths out can reduce blood pressure and muscle tension. Let's practice 3 anytime, anywhere breaths. As you breathe in, fingers press. As you breathe out, release the press. As you breathe in, fingers press. As you breathe out, release the press. As you breathe in, fingers press. As you breathe out, release the press. Now, if you like, use your other hand to practice 3 times, saying it to yourself in your mind, since you are always with you. Don't rush your words. Don't rush your breath. Take your time with your words. Take your time with your breath. If you like, gently stretch the fingers on one hand or shake that hand. Then gently stretch the fingers on the other hand or shake that hand. Let your hands be as still as you would like them to be. If you like, give yourself a few moments to notice how you feel. Perhaps give yourself a few minutes to practice another short break later in the day when you want to change how you are feeling.